Today is finally here. In this video, I'm going to bring my van down and get some things done that I couldn't get done. I needed some welding done on the hydraulics, on the mounts, on the under the wheels by the cylinders, so I can get it to go up and down. And I can't do the welding myself, so I had to bring it down and tow it over to have it done. Here, getting loaded on the tow truck. From here, then we go down to Inglewood, and they can see about getting the welding done.
Yeah.
Okay, right now we just pulled up. We're gonna load it, get it in the shop, get ready to get it mounted and load it up. Right now we're jumping it at low life hydraulics.
You can see a tow truck, you know, blocking the whole street. Careful the Impala, careful the Impala.
First was there. It took around an hour and a half to get it all the way down there, and then unloaded and parked and dropped in. We had to make some space, move some cars, stop traffic, open the gates. Anyway, took him around, I don't know, like about an hour and a half total just to get it loaded and towed and parked down there. Okay, that was it for bringing the van down, getting it towed down there. Anyway, there's like so much more videos coming up. This is just one part on the hydraulics. Anyway, you have to see the next ones from here. And yeah, come back and check it out.